The Canadian dollar is retesting lows not seen since earlier this year when we started cutting rates ahead of the US. And this has economists concerned that we're at risk of seeing the Canadian dollar drop to the point where we only see it that low during recessionary periods, especially because the US Fed is unlikely to match our 50 basis point move ahead of an election. And because our overnight rate is 125 basis points away from the US Fed funds rate, they also cite government policy, especially immigration, that could cool inflation or further deflate or disinflate the Canadian economy, which would require the Bank of Canada to cut rates even further. And they feel that if we break the current range that we're in, which we're currently retesting that low of, the Canadian dollar could fall to around 68 cents US, which would be comparable to the dip we saw during the initial COVID drop. This is where those jumbo rate cuts everybody was praying for become a big problem. This could later lead to imported inflation since we import goods in USD.